instantly earn $40 by clicking ads. Step 1. Turn on your phone or computer. Step 2 is to get the website that I'm about to mention and then click on a lot of ads. Step 3 is to cash out all of your earnings. Take a look at this payment proof to see how legitimate and safe this technique is. This strategy is allowing people all over the world to earn $40 in an instant. Our method for today is really beginner-friendly and basic, and is also completely free to use. You may use this approach again and again, increasing your chances of earning double, triple, or even quadruple. So make sure you watch this guide all the way to the end to learn the exact website, steps, and advice mentioned in the middle. Hey there! Welcome to Online Money Plug, where we connect you to anything that will help you earn quick money online. On this channel, we love to give away free money, and we're giving away $100 worth of gift cards in Target, Walmart, and Amazon to 10 lucky people once our channel hits 15,000 subscribers. To enter this exciting giveaway, I need you to follow the exact instructions and the unique code that are given in the middle of this video. So make sure you watch until the end to know the exact approach. Now, just before we dive into the tutorial, smash that thumbs up button if you like this kind of content. Also, if you haven't already, subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell for you to be notified every time a new video is uploaded. Now, let's jump right into the video so I can show you everything. The first thing I want you to do is to visit this website called scarletclicks.info, which is a homepage that looks like this. Using a smartphone or a computer, you can earn money by clicking ads, completing offers, and introducing new users. They've now paid out almost $2.5 million to all of their 120,000 plus subscribers, as you can see at the top. To get right to the tutorial, I'd like you to create a free Scarlet Clicks account. To do so, go to the upper right corner of your screen and click the register button. It will lead you to this registration page after you click on that. Now type in your entire name, full date of birth, username, password, and email address. Following that, scroll down a little to see these payment options. You have the choice of using Payeer, Bitcoin, Neteller, Skrill, AirTM, Litecoin, Dash, and Faucet Pay as payment options, so choose one. Then on the right-hand side, you'll find this image verification and simply type in the letters that you see on this image. Then to accept the website's terms and conditions, click this button. Finally, click the register button to complete your Scarlet Clicks registration and begin earning money right away. I need you to log in now that you have a Scarlet Clicks account. You'll be directed to this page once you've logged in. This is your dashboard, and it's where you can see all of the different details about the website as well as the many ways to make money online. As you can see, you have these banners at the bottom of the website, and if you click on them, you'll be sent to a page where you'll have to stay for 60 seconds in order to earn 50 cents. Let's return to the topic later, but for now, please click the Earn More category in the upper part of your screen. From the drop-down menu, select Scarlet Grid. After that, you'll be directed to this page, where you'll find this image. This image contains 560 boxes, each of which contains a single advertisement. Keep in mind that every single advertising you open for at least 60 seconds will net you 50 cents. Isn't that amazing? Take a pic at the folks from all around the world on the right side of your screen to see how much money they're making using this strategy. These folks have made this much money from a single ad, and if you scroll down farther, you'll see that some of them have made considerably more, and you can be the next one in line. Let's try clicking one of the boxes in the image to fully demonstrate this process. After I click one, I'll be taken to a random website just like this, where all I have to do is to stay for at least 60 seconds to earn 50 cents. That's all there is to it. Let's see if we can figure out how much money you'll make just by watching advertising. Because there were 560 boxes available, each worth 50 cents, you'll make roughly $280 on every photo on Scarlet Grid, which is fantastic. Remember that there isn't just one photo on Scarlet Grid, and that each photo resets every day at midnight, as stated right here. That effectively implies that the amount of money you earn is entirely up to you, as the opportunities to earn money here are literally limitless. You may do it again and again, every day, to optimize your earning. Isn't this a great way to earn money? Right now, I'll give you a bonus tip. Click as many boxes as you can at once. You'll be able to multiply your money with the least amount of time and work if you do it in this manner. The second piece of bonus information to share is that if you are fortunate enough to open the box containing video advertisements, you will receive an additional $3 instead of 50 cents. As you can see, I will make $3 in an instant if I finish viewing this video right now. So if you want to get that bonus money, I recommend that you click all the boxes. Now, I strongly advise that you stay a little longer in watching this whole tutorial to get extra bonus advice and information to help you improve your performance. Now, just before we go any further, if you've enjoyed the video so far, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you want to be entered to win $100, make sure to watch until the end of the video to find out the code word to enter and win. But for now, it's time to get back to work and continue making money. To take a step back, let's talk about the previous bonus information I gave you at the beginning, which was to click the banner advertising on the web pages you visit. You will get more money if you click on those. To fully illustrate, if I click on this banner right now, I will be directed to another page where I will stay for another 60 seconds and earn an additional 50 cents. Now let's move on, and I need you to take a look at these leaderboards on Scarlet Clicks. I want to inform you that if you are one of the top 10 earners for the month, you will receive bonuses and more cash. That is why you must follow all of my recommendations as well as the bonus information I shared earlier. You can always go back and watch the video again if you missed any of the helpful tips I offered. Make sure you use all of those suggestions when viewing advertisements so that you'll be able to have a spot here and possibly earn incentives. The last piece of information I'd say you right now is to go to Scarlet Clicks as soon as possible and look through the Earn More category to see all of the ways you can make money on the platform. You can also find offers for all, medium path, Skippy ads, WAN ads, and CPX research in addition to Scarlet Grid. Check out all of these and you'll almost certainly earn $40 or more in no time by simply viewing advertisements. And that sums up today's tutorial. Now onto the giveaway. If you want to be entered to win one of 10 $100 gift cards, all you need to do is subscribe to our channel, like this video, and comment the code word $ads. And you'll be entered to win once we hit 15,000 subscribers. It's that easy. And if you'd like more chances to win, there are more code words in other videos on our channel. So be sure to watch some of our other recent uploads if you want a better chance of winning. Once again, this is Online Money Plug, teaching you the best and easiest methods in making money online. For more content like this, go on and check out my other videos too, so you'll maximize your results in making that big pile of cash straight into your accounts.